Next up is the attribute error, which is raised whenever an attribute or method is attempted to be accessed via dot notation, but does not exist. So if I do dot and then tab, I can see all of these methods that exist. If I try to do something that does not exist, like the sum method, we're going to tell you it does not exist. So it uses the term attribute. Just anything that comes after the dot can be thought as an attribute. Usually what I've said before is attributes don't have a parentheses to call them. So that is the distinction that I make. This is like, so really technically this is a method, but Python here, at least with this error, refers to it as an attribute. I talked about like the len method. This is a function in Python. It is not a method, so that does not exist. So you'll see this attribute error again. So anything that comes after the dot, it could be just anything, doesn't have to have parentheses after it. If it does not exist, you will get this attribute error.